In a world brimming with opportunities, navigating the path to a new life abroad can feel daunting. That's where BP Management steps in. We are a leading consultancy firm specializing in migration, study, and business solutions. For over a decade, we have been guiding individuals and families towards their dreams of a brighter future. At BP Management, we envision a world without borders, where aspirations know no limits. Our mission is to empower you with the knowledge, resources, and support you need to thrive on the global stage. We believe that everyone deserves the chance to pursue their goals, and we are committed to making that belief a reality. Whether you're looking to study at a prestigious university, launch a business venture, or simply start afresh in a new country, BP Management is your trusted partner. We offer a comprehensive range of services designed to make your transition as smooth and successful as possible. Our team of experienced consultants understands the complexities of international relocation. We are dedicated to providing personalized guidance every step of the way. From visa applications and legal documentation to cultural integration and beyond, we are here to support your journey. At BP Management, we recognize that no two individuals or families are alike. That's why we take a personalized approach to every client we serve. We listen carefully to your aspirations, understand your unique circumstances, and tailor our services to meet your specific needs. Our migration services encompass a wide range of options. We assist with everything from skilled worker visas and family sponsorships to investor programs and citizenship applications. Our team stays abreast of the latest immigration policies and regulations, ensuring that your application is accurate, complete, and optimized for success. For those seeking educational opportunities abroad, our study solutions are second to none. We partner with top-ranked universities and colleges around the world. We guide you through the entire process, from selecting the right program to securing student visas and finding suitable accommodation. If you're an entrepreneur or business owner looking to expand your horizons, our business solutions are designed to help you thrive in the global marketplace. We offer expert advice on international business incorporation, market entry strategies, and investment opportunities. Our goal is to empower you with the tools you need to achieve sustainable growth. With 13 years of experience in the industry, BP Management has earned a reputation for excellence, integrity, and unwavering commitment to our clients. We have a proven track record of success, having helped countless individuals, families, and businesses achieve their international goals. Our team of consultants brings a wealth of knowledge and expertise to the table. We are passionate about what we do. We find immense satisfaction in empowering our clients to create a better future for themselves and their loved ones. At BP Management, we believe that our success is measured by the success of our clients. We are driven by a deep sense of purpose to make a positive impact on the lives of those we serve. We understand that entrusting your dreams to a consultancy firm is a big decision, which is why we strive to earn your trust every step of the way. Our commitment to transparency and open communication ensures that you are always informed and involved throughout the process. We believe in building long-term relationships with our clients, based on mutual respect, trust, and shared success. Section 4. Your Global Compass Navigating Opportunities Worldwide. BP Management assists clients relocating to Canada, the United States, Europe, Turkey, and Malaysia. These countries offer vast opportunities for individuals and businesses. We have in-depth knowledge of immigration policies, cultural nuances, and economic landscapes. Canada is renowned for its welcoming immigration policies and high quality of life. Our team guides you through various immigration programs. The United States attracts entrepreneurs, investors, and professionals. We assist with a range of visa options. Europe offers a multitude of opportunities for living and working abroad. We help navigate the European Union's immigration system. Turkey is a hub for business and investment. We guide you through establishing a business in Turkey. Malaysia offers opportunities for foreign investors and skilled professionals. We assist with work visas and business setup in Malaysia. Section 5. Embark on your journey. Connect with BP Management today. Are you ready to unlock your global potential? Contact BP Management today to schedule a consultation. Our team of expert consultants is eager to discuss your aspirations, assess your eligibility, and guide you towards the best possible path for your international journey. We understand that taking the first step can be daunting. But rest assured that with BP Management by your side, you'll have a trusted partner to guide you every step of the way. Your global adventure starts here. Visit our website at bp-management.biz to learn more about our services, read client testimonials, and submit an online inquiry. You can also reach us by phone at +60 17992 6397 or email at info@gocanada.biz. Let us help you turn your international dreams into reality. Check the description below to contact us and visit our website.